Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning all about lines and shapes and how to use them in our drawings. So let's do it! So today we're going to be talking about lines and shapes. And every single thing around us is made up of lines and shapes. So what kind of lines do we need to know about? Well, there are straight lines, curvy lines, long lines, short lines, wavy lines, curly lines, maybe circular squiggly lines, zigzag lines, crisscross lines, tons and tons of lines. And in order to draw a picture, all you need to know is how to draw lines. Now, shapes. What shapes do we know of? We know circle, triangle, square, rectangle, oval, which is just a little longer than a circle, and how about a star? Let's start with those. Now, in order to make these shapes, you need lines. So everything is made up of lines and shapes. And today I'm going to show you how to create a picture using lines and shapes. So I'm just going to erase these. And we're going to start with a simple drawing of a house. So what do we need to make a house? We need some straight lines. So I'm going to make a straight line this way. I'm going to make a straight line this way, another one this way, and another one this way. We need more straight lines to make a door, maybe some windows, and then some diagonal lines to make a roof. Now, what about a tree? We would need a curved line for the trunk and another one, and maybe some curly lines for the leaves. How about some short lines for the grass? And a nice long line for a stem for a flower, circular squiggly line for the center, and then some curved lines for the petals. What about some wavy lines for the clouds? Or maybe a storm is rolling in and we need some lightning, which is a zigzag line. Tons of lines to create a simple picture. Now, what do you notice about these lines? These lines created shapes. So let's look at that picture again and see if you know what shape I have created to make the base of this house. It's a square, you're right. And what about the top, the roof? What shape is on top? A triangle. And we have some square windows and a rectangular door. Oh, we forgot a circle handle. Same with the tree. The tree is made up of two lines, and they're a little bit curved, but really it's just a rectangle. And those curly lines on top have created a circle. Same with the flower. We created a stem, which is just a straight line, and then a circle for the middle, and then some half circles or even ovals for the petals. And there you go. Everything is made up of lines and shapes. Okay, so let's look at our portraits. If we're drawing ourselves, what shapes and lines do we need to know? We need to know about an oval shape for our heads, maybe some curved lines for our eyebrows, maybe a short zigzag for our nose, another curved line for our mouth, and circles for our eyes. But using more lines, we can create more detail. So I'm going to create some curved lines on top and some short lines for the eyelashes. Same on this side, a curved line at the top of the eye, I'm going to color that in, and short lines for the eyelashes. Wavy lines for the lips, and we can use a curved line or a half circle for the ears. Now, depending on what kind of hair you have, you can create short straight lines, you can create wavy lines, you can create curly lines. Everything is made up of lines and shapes. So now it's your turn to go out, look around in your classroom, look around in your house, look outside. What kinds of lines and shapes do you see? I'd love for you guys to create a picture and send it in to me so I can share it in my next video, and to see what kind of lines and shapes you made to create your own pictures. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it and I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram for more. Have a great day, guys. Bye.